What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, if you made money this week, let me know down in the comments below. I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, guys, off top, if you made money to start the final month of the year, I want to hear all about it, guys. Listen. The trend is your friend, okay? All year, the trend has been primarily going up. That means we're in a bull market. Don't try to get Q the final month of the year. On pullbacks, okay? Thinking about SoFi, thinking about any stock that might have pulled back, let that be your cue to get in low and take it higher to end out the year. Let me know if that's understood, guys. Today, the market made all-time highs. And so we want to go ahead and unpack this, guys, and talk about the day it was. I'm going to kick it off with the SPY before I dive into the stocks that's going to boom this week, okay? Listen to this, guys. Ticker symbol SPY. This is the S&P 500 sitting at 603.87. New all-time highs was made on today, up $1.12 on today. Check this out, guys. Up here, 604.26. We were able to see it hit 604.32 was the actual high of the new year, okay, all-time high. Listen, as the market melts up and goes higher, you must know that stocks will go higher, all right? The trend is your friend. I want you to go with the flow. Don't try to go against the grain. This ain't the time to be trying to buy puts. If anything, guys, you need to get in some semi-long dated calls, meaning 3 weeks out, a month out, 2 months out, okay? And let your plays ride. You manage your risk. Let me know if that's understood, guys. Listen, on the week, this one is up $5. On the month, this one is up nearly 6%. In the past 3 months, this one is up over 7.5%. And year to date, guys, if you invested your money, okay, you are up almost 30%. We say this all the time. You can't get this type of return with your money sitting in a bank, okay? I often tell you guys the stock market is the greatest vehicle for wealth creation, and this is why. Almost 30% of your money. So think about those of us that has at least $1 million in the market in VTI or SPY getting 30%. This is why they tell you the rich get richer. Now think about somebody with 10 million sitting in VTI or the S&P 500 and it's them gain 27% on just this year, let alone any options or any other moves you have made, okay? This is why you guys got to get in the game. This is why when the market goes low, when you have recessions and those down years, you gotta know that you gotta buy it up. The market always gonna come back up and make new all-time highs, and you wanna be along for the ride, okay? This is phenomenal, guys. Look at this, just this trajectory that the market has been on. It dipped in April of 2024, ran up in July, dipped on my birthday to 517, ran up, and now we ain't had a dip since, okay? And now we're sitting at 603. Again, there's no limit to how high it can go, but you just need to take it one level at a time, okay? 604.32 was a high today. That's your new resistance level. Once it breaks 604, it might be 605.80. It might be 606.70. And you just go with the flow until it determines that it's done going up. And then on any pullbacks, you now know the levels that it went to the upside. You get in and do your thing, okay? All right, guys, now on to some stocks that's going to boom. Tesla will be one of those ones. Ticker symbol TSLA, sitting at 352.77. I told you guys about this play over the weekend in terms of 5 stocks to buy for the month of December, okay? This stock was up $11.93 today. Look at this. It went as high as we had 59, almost 360 on the chart today, okay? Yes, it has fell in after hours, okay? But my point being, if you guys can catch these moves, this is just intraday. Tesla is one of those ones, just intraday. If you can learn to catch it, you can do wonders, okay? It's going to always move in $10 increments. As you can see here, it's up 11.93. At the high of day, it was as high as $14. So notice lately, although I say it's been moving $10 up or down, it's been more like $12 to $14, just to make a note of, guys, if you're, you know what I'm saying, wanting to know the range, and that's in either direction. My price target on this one for this week, guys, we need to get to 363. If we can get to 363, 364, it is off to the races. I want that to be a target that you guys have for as early as Wednesday, let alone sometime this week, okay? This will help us get to the 400 target. You gotta clear hurdles in order to get there. We gotta get past 364 to get to 400, okay? And so again, stay the course, play it level by level, and then on any pullbacks, as long as this don't pull back under $311, it's a long range, I know, but as long as it stay above 311, it's going higher. And so you need to know that, okay? And so listen to this, guys. Year to date, this one is up 41%. Elon Musk has aligned himself with Trump. This should continue to see favorable outcomes because of that relationship and that alignment, as well as the things he's actually doing with FSD, with robotics, and with all the other things that Tesla has going on. And it's not just a car company, guys, okay? So please keep that in mind. And then, guys, AMD finally woke up today. Guys, if we can get above, watch this. This level right here was tough. 142.67. If we can get above 142.67, we might be able to go to 143.80 and 145. Please keep your eye on 142.67. If we clear that level, it's off into the races. I would love a gap up. If this wakes up, I'm trying to tell you guys, this play alone is going to be bigger than any of the plays you guys are messing around with. But again, you got to still manage your risk. You got to still give yourself time, because when this go down, it go down hard. But if this get above 142.60 right here, 142.60, if we can clear that, it got rejected there today. It got rejected there at 142.63. At the end of the day, it ran up, but look at this. Boom, 142.57. I keep seeing around that level again. So hopefully they just gap us up tomorrow over that 142.67, and then 143 becomes support, and then we go to 145. That would be ideal, but that's what I'm looking forward to on tomorrow, guys, in terms of the two stocks that's going to boom this week is Tesla and AMD. Manage your risk, and if you have to pivot, okay, you use your stop loss. And if the play go down and happen to have one red day, you might go down for that moment, but you don't stay down in it for the long haul, okay? We're in a bull market. You must know market structure, okay? And then this last one, I'm just throwing this one in there. This video today was really about Tesla and AMD, but this is Google, GOOGL. Listen to this just so you have Coach's perspective. Google is a stock I've made a lot of money with, but Google moves the slowest but makes the biggest move once it finally moves. Meaning, you gotta have 3.5 to 6 months on this for it to hit its target. So Coach been pounding the table, man, this is going to 182 and 200. Guys, do not rule out, it shouldn't take this long, but for whatever reason, they be beefing with Wall Street. When this take off, you will need at least 3.5 to 6 months for it to do it. Yes, it's going to do it. Don't get weary. Don't get weary, guys. Don't let them lull you to sleep. Don't let the trick, trap, and frustrate crew get you. This will hit the target, but you got to have 3 to 6 months. Listen, this is Coach being concerned. It ain't going to take that long, but I'm trying to tell you like the type of time you need. Every time I get into this play, guys, it takes longer than like Tesla can get somewhere in the week if I put a price target out there. Nvidia, depending on the direction, it can get there in a week and a half. This one has always been, this one is SoFi, 3.5 months or 6 months. That's how long they take. So different plays move at different speeds, okay? know the behavior of the plays you're trying to play, so that you don't get impatient and you trick yourself out of a life-changing play because it's taking all day. You ain't got nothing to do anyway, guys, but follow the teachings, follow these levels, and follow where the play is ultimately going, despite what it might be doing day to day and minute to minute, okay? Coach just wanted to put that on you guys. Remember, guys, Monday sets the tone, Friday sets the standard. So great job if you made money this week. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks. Use my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.